All right, thank you very much. All right, everybody. I'd like you to sit back, relax, and enjoy a sip of that Cognac. Cognac, you are on the clock. Get up here. You got this.
Hi, good morning, everyone. So my name is Vahan Chakarian, and I head up the commercial activity for Cogniac. First, thank you to Plug and Plate and to Planet N for inviting us to present to you today. So Cogniac is a 2.5-year-old startup, and we're offering enterprise-class software to help automate visual inspection tasks to human-level accuracy and even beyond. And we're utilizing the latest in AI technology to build inspection workflows. So in your environment today, if you are performing manual inspection of, say, dangerous or tedious or error-prone activities, or if you have maybe a machine learning system that, or a computer vision system that is rejecting good parts, then we may have a good solution for you. So as we've helped build inspection workflows, we're using the latest in deep learning technology. And our system is really taught by example, so just a few hundred images help you learn the system and deploy very quickly, which is a big differentiator for us, and I'll talk about this a little bit later. So we focus on 3 segments right now. So we are looking after the core manufacturing sector, then industrial inspection like QA/QC, and then lastly, safety and security. So as we're a visual company, so I thought I would show you some examples of our applications, and maybe this helps give thought to how it might apply in your space, right? So our applications can be classification of, say, assets or parts. We have detection and OCR capability as an application. We're doing object detection, so we're able to find really small things in really large spaces, and we are able to do this in a variety of lighting conditions. So these are some examples again of defect detection, our ability to count, and again, I'll have a live demo for you later if you want to see this operating in real time. And then in terms of measuring, not only can we detect defects, but we're also able to count the number of defects, and then we would also measure that with our IP combined with the convolutional neural network architecture. In the security and safety area, one of the things we do is monitor public places like gender identification, infants, counting people, counting subjects, tracking subjects, and even looking at suspicious objects and so forth in airports and malls and rail stations and so forth. So one of our latest applications is dynamic tracking, where we're looking at a subject again within a given view of a camera and then tracking that from camera to camera. Again, in the safety and security area, there's safety compliance is a big deal in a lot of high-volume manufacturing areas. So what we do is help identify if people are compliant to hard hats or boots or vests and so forth, right? So some simple tasks. So we're really using AI to create AI, and as I said before, we're using just a few hundred images to get our system going. And again, the deployment and the accuracy of our system is a real differentiator. And truly, if we started with a project today, by tomorrow morning, you would have some meaningful results. And the thing that we avoid also is the deployment of lots of PhDs and labeling and programming, and thousands of hours of unnecessary tasks that can all be automated through our learning mechanism. So we're continuously training our system, and we have models that are working in the background. So when there's something new, a piece of information that becomes critical to a given process, then we'll release that into the ecosystem. And our system again is getting smarter over time. So we keep a detailed history of all your records, and we serve as a system record for your visual data assets, so you can access those at any time. We have a full API for easy integration, and we have a variety of deployment vehicles from full cloud to on-prem, and even within the on-prem system, what we could offer is maybe a deployment in the private cloud if security was a concern for you. So we've got an experienced management team, so we've been part of startups before, we've scaled successfully, we've had successful exits, as well as taking companies public. So we're today a team of 15, of which 11 are full-time employees, 4 are full-time contractors, And we have really an excellent investor group with Google's AI fund called Radiant Ventures and other top VCs from the Valley, including Wing Capital, Autotech Ventures, who a lot of you may be familiar with, as well as Plug and Play. So if there's an opportunity for us to help you with maybe automating your visual inspection tasks, let me know. Our contact details are here, and I'll be here all afternoon to answer any questions. Thank you very much.
All right, everybody, that ends our second batch. We have one more to go. We're going to take a 10-minute break and then reconvene. I'll see you in a few.